So one of the things that was frustrating for me, I guess my entire adult life, is, having to drag laundry all over the house to get it in the laundry room. And when we started building this house, I just had an idea that it sure would be nice if we could have a pass-through. And I had no idea how that was gonna happen. I looked online, I couldn't find one. Didn't know if it existed, but I was adamant that I wanted it. So when we met with Neil, he immediately thought of a solution that worked perfectly.
The inspiration for the pass-through feature probably started 5 to 7 years ago. We had an ongoing argument, and the solution to the argument was I was going to be the laundry guy and I didn't have to touch the kitchen. Beth would take care of the kitchen. And so for the last probably 7 or so years, I've taken care of all the laundry, which Beth was grateful for. However, my downfall was I would wash the clothes, dry the clothes, fold the clothes, but then they would stay on top of the washer and dryer in the laundry room. And so when we're building this dream house, Beth said, hey, what we need to do is have a pass-through so the laundry doesn't sit in the laundry room all week. It actually makes it back to the closet. And it was a brilliant idea, and Neil had a perfect solution that made it simple and easy. Now you just wash, dry, fold, slide it through the closet, put them away.